Good day, everyone. I am Violi Magnaye, and this is Visaya class on Ako Pinay. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. When learning a new language, keep an open mind. Don't forget to have a pen and a paper with you. Today in Visaya class, we will bring our knowledge of the Visaya language to the market. Words of the day. Asking questions. Number 1. How much? Tagpila ni. Where do I go? Asa ko mo paingon? Stop here, please. Hunong dire, palihog. Karon moadto ako sa merkado aron mo palit og pagkaon. Today, I will go to the market to buy some food. Musakay ko og jeep paingon dito. I will take a jeepney going there. Una, maghimo ko og lista sa mga butang nga akong paliton. First, I will make a list of items I should buy. Onion, sibuyas, tomato, kamatis, garlic, ahos, ginger, luya, radish, labanos, sweet potato, kamote, kamote tops, talbos or gayay, eggplant, talong, string beans, batong, chicken, manok, pork, karning baboy, shells, suso, fish, isda. Tagpila ning isda. How much is the fish? 120 pesos po. Mopalit kog usa ka kilo. Doon na kapay paliton ka uban. Kana na lang. Tagpila ning sorbetes. How much is the ice cream? Unsa nga lami ang imong gusto? Ang lami ng mangga palihog. Salamat. Thank you. What did we learn today? Number 1, how to ask questions in Visaya. Number 2, how to negotiate with people in Visaya. And number 3, how to travel in the Visayas region. Thank you for watching the second lesson of Visaya class by Ako Pinay. Please hit and like the button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.